Hey there guys, it's your friend Justin coming to you again from another condo. Let me start this video by asking you, what are the 3 laws of real estate? Well, many of you know it's location, location, location. And on that note, I'm coming to you from a very spacious, very well laid out 2-bedroom condo here at Park Nouveau by Tridel, right here at the Kipling subway. What do you get with this condo? Well, like I said, you have a very well laid out condo which has 2 separate bedrooms, 2 full washrooms, as well as a parking and a locker, and again, look at this location, right here at Kipling subway. But don't take my word for it, take a look at these photos, and I'll be right back after this. What'd I tell you? I told you it was a very well laid out condo, didn't I? So if you have any questions about this condo or any other condo that you're looking to either lease or buy, why don't you give me a call at 647-927-6767, or you can visit my website at whybuyguy.ca. Hope to see you soon. Hope to talk to you soon. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.